Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic cells.
The cell. The cell is the smallest unit of living organisms. Cells are too small so that we cannot see them with our naked eyes. Cells have different structures and functions, but all of them made by an outer covering and a water-based interiors where organelles are found. Some of the functions include nutritions into transformation of substances into energy, structural changes that can suffer alterations in their structure, and growth in mitosis. They are able to control their own process and grow. There are two types of cells, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organisms are very small and consist only one type of cell. Multicellular organisms are made up by a large number of cells. Trees, plants, animals are the examples of multicellular. Based on the structure of the cells are grouped into prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, DNA is the genetic material is floating in the cytoplasm instead of being stored in nucleus bacteria. Eukaryotic cells nucleus is protected by a membrane DNA. DNA is found inside the eukaryotic cells which contain genetic materials. Cytoplasm of the eukaryotic cells can be plant cells or animal cells. Cell wall,
Then
cell
we
membrane,
discuss about what
cytoplasm,
are the
nucleus,
different parts of a cell.
nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body apparatus, mitochondria, lysosomes. Let's discuss what is the features of each of this. Cell membrane. It is the external boundary of a cell, also called as plasma membrane. It contains proteins as well as lipids. It is a lipid bilayered membrane, selectively permeable membrane. Lipid bilayer consists of peripheral protein and integral protein. This main function is to be the support and protection of the cell. Next one is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the gel-like fluid inside the cell. It is composed of water, salts, and various organic molecules located between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It provides a platform upon which other organelles can operate within the cell. Cytoplasm consists of two layers. One is cytosol and the other one is cytoplasmic structures. Cytoplasm is a gel-like fluid inside the cell. It is composed of water, salts, and various organic molecules. Genetic material and instructions are required for the nucleus. Cellular provides a platform upon which other organelles can operate nucleolus within the cell. And the next one is function is to produce and assemble the cell's ribosomes. The next one is endoplasmic reticulum. It is an extensive network of membrane limited channels. It is the largest organelle of most eukaryotic cells. It's present in all eukaryotic cells except in sperm cells. Main function of endoplasmic reticulum are responsible for the metabolism of carbohydrates, responsible for the production and secretion of steroid hormones, responsible for releases calcium ions which are necessary for the nerve system and muscular system. In fact, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulums: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum can have ribosomes absent. In a rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are embedded with its structures. Main functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum are metabolism of carbohydrates, lipid synthesis, production and secretion of steroids and hormones, store and releases calcium ions. It synthesizes and secretes in the liver proteins, hormones, and other substances in the glands. A rough endoplasmic reticulum functions are protein synthesis, protein sorting, protein folding. Transports in the products of smooth endoplasmic reticulum to other cellular organelles. Next one is Golgi apparatus. It is a cup-shaped organelle located near the nucleus. Camillo Golgi discovered the Golgi apparatus. So, it is also called Golgi body. It is present in eukaryotic cells. Golgi body appears as a series of stacked membranes. It is a membrane-bound organelle present in the cytosol of the cell. Main functions are packaging and secreting of proteins, lysosome formation, transport lipids, double enzymatic activity, etc. Next one is mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. It produces adenosine triphosphate or ATP. Outer membrane, inner membrane space, matrix are the parts of mitochondria. Next one is lysosome. It is a membrane-bound cell organelle present in eukaryotic cells, also called as bags known as the cell. It contains digestive enzymes. They can do autolysis. They are spear-shaped sacs filled with the hydrolytic enzymes that have the capability breakdown of many
Let
types
us
of
discuss
biomolecules.
different types of cells.
Different types of cells includes plant cells and animal cells. Differences between plant cells and animal cells in their cell structure. In plant cells, cell wall is present and in animal cell wall is absent. In plant cells, plastids are present. In animal cells, plastids are absent. In plant cells, centromeres are absent. In animal cells, centromeres is present. In plant cell, nucleus is peripheral and animal cell, nucleus is present at center. Plant cells, they are larger in size. In animal cells, they are comparatively smaller in size. In plant cells, generally rectangular or square. In animal cells, generally round or irregular.
Okay, students, all of you understand the topic? Thank you.